Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a payment method from your Saks Fifth Avenue account. If you don't have a Saks Fifth Avenue account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Payments. Here, you will see the list of your payment methods. Now, click on the Delete button under the payment method you wish to remove. Then a pop-up message will appear asking if you're sure to remove the following payment method. To continue, click on Yes. That's how you remove a payment method from your Saks Fifth Avenue account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.